Hello dear students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin an online session of Standard 8th Mathematics with your teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. Dear students, in the lesson Constructing Quadrilateral, we have seen 4 types of different quadrilateral and its construction. Today is actually the special type of quadrilateral. Now what is the special type of quadrilateral? Let's have a look. See here, special quadrilateral means square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. Means if in a square all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. So there is no need of phi measurement at all. Why? Because if we know the one side, we can understand all sides are of that centimeter length. It means if one side is 4 centimeter, all sides are of 4 centimeter. If one angle is 90 degree, all angles are 90 degree, and it is true for the square. So therefore they are special quadrilaterals with some properties. Rectangle also, if the two opposite sides are given, if one side is 7 centimeter and one side is 5 centimeter is given, understood that the other two sides are also 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter. And moreover in rectangle also all the angles are of 90 degree. Now rhombus is again all sides are equal. So if only one side is given equal, no need to tell the real length of the remaining sides. Why? Because in rhombus also all sides are equal. And what about the opposite angles? Opposite angles are also equal in the rhombus. Same way parallelogram. In parallelogram opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. So therefore all these types of quadrilaterals you don't need phi measurement at all. You only need the 2 or 3 measurements of it, either it is a sides or it is a angles. So therefore this type of quadrilaterals are called special quadrilaterals. So today we will see the construction of special quadrilateral, and it belongs to all 4 different construction of quadrilaterals which we have seen already in the previous 4 sessions of this lesson.
Construct a parallelogram whose 2 sides and 1 angle are 4 cm, 5.5 cm and 75 degrees respectively. Solution. Steps of construction. Step 1. Draw LA which is equal to 5.5 centimeters. Step 2. With L as center, make an angle ALP 75 degrees. Step 3. Draw an arc with L as center and radius 4 centimeters, cutting LP at Y. Step 4. Drawing LY. Step 5. Now, A as center, make an angle LAQ 105 degrees. Step 6. Now again, draw an arc with A as center and radius 4 centimeters, cutting AQ at Z. Step 7. Join YZ. Then LAZY is the required quadrilateral.
In this way, dear students, you have to construct the quadrilateral. Now here in this assignment, some questions are given which are based on the special type of quadrilaterals. Now what you have to do? According to the measurement given here, you have to construct the quadrilateral and then you have to write the name of that special quadrilateral. Is it a rectangle, square, parallelogram, or a rhombus? So, take your geometry box and start drawing and constructing the quadrilaterals. Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.